What is up, everyone? Merv back with another video, and man oh man, do I got a good unboxing video for you guys. This right here, if I can get it, here you go. This right here, we got some nice BC Racing coilovers, as my dog was about to sniff out. They're from the BR series, so it's the first tier, I guess, of BC Racing's coilovers. Shout out to Ollie, one of my friends. He actually messaged me on Messenger, to tell me that these just popped up on the marketplace a couple days ago, and he's like, I suggest you check them out, maybe you'll be interested in them. And buddy, are you good? Hello? So yeah, as I was saying, these coilovers, they are slightly used. I won't deny or lie about that. They had about maybe 5,000 kilometers on them. I don't know how much that is in miles for you American subscribers, but it's not much at all. It's maybe, I'm gonna take a wild guess. To be honest, I'm not even gonna try. I'm not really good at math, but it's not a lot, okay? So I'll get to the unboxing. I'll show you guys just how brand new these look, and I got these for an absolute steal. So thanks again, Ollie, to you. Shout outs to you, and yeah, let's get into this. Alright guys, so this is what's inside the box. So as you can see, like I said, I bought it used, so obviously everything is just thrown into the box here. There is no special boxes to separate everything, but as you can see, you got the front coilovers, and then you got the rear right there. There you go. Check it out. This is the rears. As you can tell, it's in very good condition. Like I said, barely been used, so I'm pretty hyped on the steel that I got for these. So here are the rear springs. Pretty damn nice. Really good quality stuff. Now, this is a big upgrade from the old coilovers I had for my previous car, which is a Mark V Jetta. I don't know, I'll probably link the video somewhere above, but they were Racelands. They were good at the time for what I needed them for, which is daily use, which is what I'm probably going to be doing with these, but I do want to track the Fiesta at least once this year, just to, you know, see what it's like. And these are pretty much one of the best coilover brands you can get, so super hyped, super hyped. Now, the previous owner was nice enough to leave this little pamphlet from BC Racing, which basically shows you here. It shows you all the different series of coilovers that they provide. Not necessarily tailored to my car, but for most cars I think that they make them for. So with mine, I got the BR series, if it can focus. I got the BR series, which is the first out of all the tiers, which is the most treatable coilover that they have. But each coilover does have track ready performance. So it will say in the description here that you can use it for daily use while still looking good, and basically you can take it to the track and you won't be left behind in terms of build quality and all that stuff. Like I said, BC Racing, I've heard nothing but good things about them, and just really happy with this purchase. Alright, here, so looking at the front coilover, you can see here that with the BR series, and pretty much from here all the way up, you're going to get a couple cool things. You're going to get full ride height adjustability. You're going to get the adjustment here for how stiff you want your ride, which I'll probably be keeping close to the stiffest setting. I know that I also have camber plates for the front adjustment for the coilovers, which is pretty cool. It's just a good package all around, and I got it for, I'm not gonna say half price of what they go for, but pretty close to that. So just keep that in mind. If you're interested in getting used coilovers, there's nothing wrong with it. You just gotta go check them out first, make sure that it's worth the money you're about to cash out, and you could be walking away with quite a sick deal. Alright, so showing you guys the top here, just so you can get a better look at it. This is where you adjust for your stiffness. I believe it's called the dampening. I'm still new to the whole aftermarket suspension thing, so I might get some of the wording wrong, but pretty sure that's what it's for. This right here, I'm not 100% sure. If somebody in my subscribers here, or the viewer, whoever is watching, can tell me what these are for, you can please write it down below. But I'm pretty sure it's for some kind of customization for your suspension as well. But this whole component is just pure quality. It's great. Quite the step up from Racelands. Not knocking down Racelands, but this is definitely a step up. So, alright, so now we're looking at the rears. As you can see, just so if you're a Fiesta ST driver, just so it confirms that what we're looking at here is, oh, it's not focusing, but it says Ford Fiesta on it. This is the rear coilover, which is pretty cool. It's crazy how small it is compared to what my Jetta suspension is, but it is what it is. Fully adjustable, also for the rear, for the height. And yeah, that's just the basic thing. I have the springs there in the back, in the box there, but this is what it looks like. This is what you're getting. Here are the keys. So obviously the bigger one is for the front. Nice metal here. And the black one is for the rears. Oh yeah, also I forgot to show you guys these pieces. This comes for the rear suspension as well. This is for your adjustment. It's pretty cool. Nice piece of hardware. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. Essentially, that's everything you get in here. Obviously, when you get it brand new, it's going to be packaged a lot nicer than mine. But I made this video just so you guys can get a quick description of what your future purchase might be. If you go for the BR series, specifically for the Fiesta ST, but this can apply to anybody's suspension for the BR series, I imagine. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button on your way out. It really helps me. We're really close to hitting 500 subscribers, so any click counts. So thanks again, guys. And to end it, some of you guys might be wondering, okay, so we saw the coilovers, you did the little unboxing thing. Now when are we going to be putting on the Fiesta? Soon. It's still the end of February, so I got about a month to wait it out to see how the weather's going to be. So I would say by the end of March, early April, they should be on the car. Knowing me, I'm going to want to rush super into it and want to get them on as soon as possible, but we got to wait for the weather to be a bit better so I don't have any problems outside. And yeah, but just know soon enough the Fiesta ST will be slammed. Like, not crazy like camber slammed, but it will be tucking a bit more than what my Jetta was, I think. But still, like, I'm trying to go for more of the track stance, but with the rally flavor. That's my style for the builds for this year for the car. But yeah, gonna try and do big things because I want to, just want to be looking good in my daily, and that's it. So yeah, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.